Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to create a full face of makeup using products only under ₹1000 that are all available on Amazon. This is the look that I came up with using only products under ₹1000. Right now, Amazon is having an amazing sale where you can get some great discounts and offers. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. First, I've got some skincare products to talk about. I've got the Blue Heaven Makeup Remover Wipes. This packet contains 30 wipes in it, which is great. This is a really nice makeup remover. I tried to remove my makeup using this wipe itself and it cleaned off my makeup pretty well. This has also got vitamin E and aloe vera, which really help in moisturizing and hydrating your skin while removing the makeup. Not only you can use this to remove your makeup, but also to use it on the go while you're traveling or something to clean off any excess oil or dirt or impurities away from the skin. It will just make your skin look and feel more clean and refreshed. Then I've got the Mamaearth Ubtan face wash. This is a very popular face wash, by the way. Many YouTubers seem to like this product. So this is specifically for tan removal. It removes any tan from the skin and brightens up if you use it regularly. This is also paraben and SLS free and dermatologist tested. Also suitable for all skin types. The fragrance of this face wash is very unique. I have not smelled any sort of face wash that smells like this. It's a very natural Ayurvedic Ubtan like smell. You can really smell the turmeric and saffron while I use this product. It also has these tiny little granules in it, so I think that's what makes your skin look brighter and exfoliated in a way. This is supposed to have many good natural ingredients, so I think it is very good for the skin. Then I've got the Neutrogena Everyday Lip Balm. This also contains SPF 15. This is a very basic lip balm that I feel everybody should have. Doesn't matter if you're a guy or a girl, everybody needs a lip balm, especially for the winters. It is totally must. I generally love Nivea lip balms. They are really good in quality, super affordable, and they feel quite nourishing and hydrating on the lips. Especially this one, I really enjoy it. It doesn't really have any color to it, so it's very much clear and transparent, so anybody can use it easily. Feels very super smooth, and especially when you're doing your makeup, your lips always have to be prepped nicely with a lip balm, and this is such a great basic lip balm to have. Then I came across this very cool product from Rene. This is from their skincare range. So this is their eyebrow growth roll-on oil. So it comes in this dark glass tube with a roll-on tip. So it looks like this, and you can simply apply it on your eyebrows and just massage it gently. You can use this before going to bed along with your nighttime skincare routine. Though it is an oil, it doesn't really feel that thick or sticky on the eyebrows. It's a very lightweight formula, so it feels comfortable and not tacky or sticky at all. Now it has been only a few days that I started using this product, so I will update my thoughts about it in the description box after 2 to 3 weeks. I've got this base product from Maybelline. This is their tiny little mini Fit Me foundation, and this is in the shade 330 Toffee Caramel. It also contains SPF of 22 and it is suitable for normal to oily skin. Though the shade 330 Toffee Caramel is not a great match on my skin tone, this seems to be the last darkest shade that is available in the mini version. My exact perfect match is Maybelline 335 Classic Tan. I really wish and hope that they come out with more darker shades in the mini tube as well, because I think it is such a great value for money product. It's very affordable, and right now on Amazon you can find this on a great discount. I mean, I can wear 330 Toffee Caramel, but I will have to bronze up my skin really well with a nice bronzer and make it look more tanned. If you're on a budget, you should definitely check out the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It is very affordable, and it is such a great classic foundation. Since we are talking about the base products, I wanted to talk about a few makeup tools that I got. So I got this beauty blender and brush kit. This is from a brand called Span King. This packet contains 2 beauty blenders. Both are black in color, and also you get this spoon brush. You can use this to blend your contour or even concealer. This is how the dry sponge looks like, and this is how it looks after it is dampened under water, and you can clearly see a difference. It has totally doubled up in size. It's not the most softest beauty blender that I have used, but It's not bad either. It blends your foundation and concealer decently, but it does soak up a little extra product. But you can just check it out if you're a beginner or if you're looking for good sponges on a budget, because this does come in a pack of 2 beauty blenders as well as a blending brush to blend your contour or concealer, which is a great deal in my opinion. Next, I've got the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. This is in the shade Medium Tawny. It's a beautiful light to medium coverage concealer. It looks super natural on the skin, especially if you're a beginner or if you like a lighter sort of coverage of a concealer, then you should absolutely check the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer on Amazon. It is such a great one. It blends beautifully on the skin, sits so nicely on the skin. It also covers up your dark circles and pigmentation and things like that very nicely. And not only that, it lasts pretty decently as well. And not to mention, it is super affordable, and right now with the sales and discount going on Amazon, you can find this at a much cheaper price. Then I have the Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder. This is their newer Fit Me Compact Powder and I absolutely love this powder. It is super inexpensive and such great quality. My shade in the compact powder is 330 Toffee Caramel, and it is such a perfect match on my skin tone. It is a beautiful, silky, very soft, velvety matte finish compact powder. It does add a lot of coverage to your base as well. You can also wear this even without any foundation or concealer. It looks amazing on the skin and looks pretty natural as well. It's not like a powdery finish, it's more of a skin-like satiny finish. I do think people with dry skin types would also really like this powder because of the texture and finish that it has. And you have an inbuilt mirror inside. It also comes with a sponge. This is already a very inexpensive product, and right now you get some great deals and discounts on Amazon. It is a beautiful compact powder for all skin types and I recommend it to all of you. Then I've got the Sugar Contour Deforce Palette, and I've got this in the variant Fierce Speed. It's got this deep brown contouring / bronzing shade, a beautiful vibrant corally peach blush, and a pinky highlighter. The contour as well as the blusher works amazing on dusky or deeper Indian complexions, but not the highlighter because it has got that pink undertone to it. So it's gonna look very much ashy on the skin. This is such a nice value for money, travel friendly palette because it has got everything in one. They are very soft, velvety, smooth finish of compacts, blushes as well as highlighters. Even if you're a beginner, these products would be very easy for you to work with since they blend on your skin effortlessly. Then I've got this Swiss Beauty Brick Highlighter, and I absolutely love this product. This is in the variant 01, which is a beautiful bronzy gold highlighter brick. This highlighter blends like a dream on your skin. This is what I'm wearing right now as well, and you can see how beautiful and impactful it looks on the skin. It's a very finely milled highlighter, yet it is very blinding on the skin as well. So you can customize the coverage according to your liking, whether you want it to be light or a bling on, bang on highlight on the skin. You can simply swirl your brush across this brick or use them individually as well. How cool is that? I also use this on my eyelids sometimes and it looks so beautiful. The shade 01 specifically is amazing for dusky or deeper Indian complexions because it has that bronzy gold tones in it. This is one of the best affordable highlighters that is available on Amazon, so definitely pick this up, and also it is at a slash price at the moment. I've got this Maybelline Girls Gotta Go Out kit. It is a very cool little kit. This kit has 4 products. 3 of them are their Colossal products. You have the Colossal Kajal, the liquid eyeliner as well as the mascara, and you also get a very cool black cloth mask free. Absolutely love the classic Colossal Kajal. It is such a good one, especially if you're a beginner. You should absolutely try the Colossal Kajal. I really like the Colossal Kajal from them. It's jet black, goes on nicely on the waterline, doesn't irritate your sensitive eyes. I do have a sensitive eye type, so I know for sure that this works amazing on my sensitive eyes. It stays put pretty decently as well on your waterline. You can also set it with some eyeshadow if you want that longer lasting effect. You can use this to create a smoky liner. Million things that you can do with this kajal. Talking about their liquid Colossal eyeliner, I really like this product as well. It's a jet black, smooth, liquid eyeliner. The brush tip is great as well to create a winged eyeliner. It has got this elongated tip, so it easily allows you to create a nice, sharp, thick or thin winged eyeliner according to your taste. and it dries down to a completely matte finish and stays put for a long time as well. Then comes their Colossal Mascara, which is a cult favorite. It used to be my favorite as well. It adds such nice volume to your lashes and fluffiness as well. Especially if you're a college goer or office goer, this mascara is such a great one to have because it looks very natural. It doesn't give you that wawa boom lashes, but it does define your lashes in a beautiful natural way, adds so much volume to your lashes and it looks beautiful. And also this mascara is waterproof, so you don't have to worry about even if you're stepping out in a rainy day. The mask that comes along with it has this really cool NYC pattern with a heart in it. It's made up of a cotton material, feels super comfortable. It is black, so it literally is gonna go with any outfit that you wear. Then I have the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. This is in the number 01 and it is such a beautiful plummy burgundy toned eyeshadow palette. Love the mattes, they are very well pigmented and blend so effortlessly on the eyes. The shimmers though are not that popping on the eyes, but they are pretty decent as well. Very smooth and satiny shimmers, they are not those foiled metallic type of shimmers. Still, I think this is a great beginner friendly and affordable palette to have. I love these kind of dark berry toned colors. I think they look amazing on Indian complexions, especially duskier skin tones. Though it has only 9 shades of eyeshadows, I definitely think you can play around with this palette a lot more and create multiple looks. This is the eyeshadow that I'm wearing on my eyes right now, and you can see how intense and pigmented they look. They also last very nicely on the eyes. I've got the Good Vibes Lemon Lip Scrub. It comes in this tiny little jar packaging. You have the lip scrub inside. First of all, the smell is so delicious. If you like citrusy fragrance, you would absolutely love this. It has a very fresh lemon fragrance to it. Literally feels like crushed lemons in this container. As soon as you open the lid, you get such a nice fresh strong fragrance. This is a sugar scrub and it has those lemon extracts in it. You can simply activate the scrub using some water and gently massage it on your lips and you would get really nice clean, exfoliated, smooth lips. I think a lip scrub is a must-have and this is a good one, especially in the winters. Your lips tend to go very chapped and all the cracks on your lips get accentuated. If you exfoliate your lips using a nice sugar scrub, your lips would be well maintained for the winters, and also your lipstick application goes on much smoother on top of an exfoliated lip. Your lips basically get prepped so well. I've got the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in the shade Founder, which is a beautiful deep berry toned pink lipstick shade. I already have many shades in this lipstick, but this is also a very pretty looking pink. Sometimes pinks can look weird on dusky complexions, but this one looks absolutely stunning on me. This is slightly a warmer shade of pink, so it looks really nice on brown dusky skin tones. I absolutely love the formula of these matte ink liquid lipsticks. They do not budge, they don't transfer, they just stay put until you remove it with a nice oil-based makeup remover. Then I have the Lakme Matte Melt Liquid Lipstick and this is in a mini version. The shade that I have is called Brown Souvenir and it is such a beautiful, stunning, everyday brown nude shade. Love the formula of this liquid lipstick as well. It's a very thin and liquidy formula, but it is so smooth and has a lot of pigmentation to it and feels extremely comfortable on the lips. It is very lightweight in texture and feels so you won't really feel like you're wearing something on your lips. It dries down to a beautiful matte finish and it looks absolutely stunning. Since this is their mini liquid lipstick, it is already an affordable product, and right now because of the sale and discounts on Amazon, you can find this on a much cheaper price. They have a ton of shades to choose from as well, so you can pick and choose according to your liking. Since we are talking about lips, Amazon has this really cool virtual try-on feature for trying out lipstick shades on yourself. You can simply pick whatever lipstick that you're checking out. You will see a try now icon right below your product. Simply click on it and you can either choose a model that is already available on their website with a similar skin tone of yours, or you can simply take a picture of yourself and you can check how each of these lipstick shades look on you and make a decision for yourself. How cool is that? The colors that they show you on their website is pretty accurate as well. That's an excellent feature that Amazon has now. Last but not the least, I have a nail polish here. This is from this brand called Dibel. I have been meaning to get my hands on this nail polish from a really long time, and I bought it because I saw this on a great slash price. This is a glitter top coat. Shade is called Galaxia. This is a beautiful golden toned glitter nail polish. This could be a great nail polish to have if you want to add an accent nail like I did today. I have added it on my ring finger and it looks really pretty. It's very nice and glossy. Love the glitters in this. They are high in shine. It's not like a scanty glitter nail polish. It does have a lot of these shimmery particles in it, so it just reflects beautifully on your nails and deposits the right amount of glitter. So those were all of the products that I got to do a full face of makeup under ₹1000 from Amazon on a great discount. Don't forget to check out the sale that is going on at the moment. You really get some great deals, discount and offers. You can save up a lot of money during these sales. All the products that I mentioned in today's video will be listed in the description box. So this is it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching my Amazon makeup haul. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Make sure to hit the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a new video on my channel. Also follow me on my Instagram. I'll put the link in the description box. This is it. Take care of yourselves and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye!